All right. This is Engage New York Module 1, Lesson 1, Problem Set Debrief. All right. Our problem is I'm going to use this. It's 345 and we're dividing. So we're moving it 2 times. So our new number becomes 3.45 or 3.45. This one here, we start out with 345 and it's getting smaller by 1/100th. So it's moving 3 times and getting smaller in this direction, correct? Did you guys do okay on that? Give me a thumbs up. Or a thumbs to the side, or if like, or a thumbs down, I didn't do so well. Uh-oh, Vic. Okay. Explain how and why the value of 4 changed in the quotients in A, B, and C. In each problem, the 4 either decreased by either 10 times, 100 times, or 1,000 times, right? That's what we learned. Then on the next page, a manufacturer made 7,234 boxes of coffee stirrers. Each box contains 1,000 stirrers. How many stirrers did they make? Well, 7,234 times 1,000, it's going to get 1,000 times bigger. You are going to have that number move 3 times greater. It's going to become 3 times, or it becomes 1,000 times greater. Then a student used this place value chart to show a number after the teacher instructed him to multiply his number by 10. The chart shows this number, 3,200.4. Draw a picture of what the place value chart looked like at first. So if I put my number in, this is what it looked like at the end. This is what the boy got the answer. This was his answer. What did it look like before? So before, the answer was 320.04 is what he started with, because he moved it one time to get the answer. So you're thinking backward. Okay? You're trying to figure out where the person started, because this is where he ended. So where did he start? Okay. Then A, explain how you decided what to do on your place values chart. Be sure to include your reasoning about how the value of the digits was affected by multiplication. So, if the student multiplied by 10, then he moved all of his numbers to the left and made each number 10 times bigger. So this is what they're expecting for a type of answer. You could either draw it or you could write it out, but writing in words is always good. It lets me know you understand what you're doing. All right, a microscope has a setting that magnifies an object so that it appears 100 times as large when viewed through the eyepiece. 100 times large, right? If a tiny insect is 0.095 centimeters long, how long will the insect appear in centimeters through the microscope? Well, if my number started out like this, 0.095, I'm going to move it 3 times to the left to get it bigger. So it's then going to be 95 centimeters is the answer. The insect will appear to be in the microscope When you multiply the number by 1,000, each number becomes 1,000 times bigger. Yes? All right, and I did not do the exit ticket for you, but I think this is pretty easy. It's getting 100 times bigger. It's getting 1,000 times smaller. Now, your homework tonight is going to be, oh wait, wrong book. So this is it. In class math book and homework book. You now have your exit ticket to finish up, just to prove to yourself I understand. Then your homework, it says homework. It says homework. It says homework, and that's it. This goes exactly with what we just did in the lesson. So if you wrote down notes and you fixed what you made your mistake on, then you should be able to do the homework without any problem.